Hello, in front of me I have SKAGEN Falster Gen 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. After you wake up the screen, press the middle button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. And once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the display. Once you find it, tap on it, then scroll down, and at the bottom you should see the option called screen timeout. Select it. And here we have the list of durations. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds and 15 seconds. Select the duration you like, for example 10 seconds, tap on the check mark, and now my screen will turn off automatically after 10 seconds of an activity. So it should be around now-ish, yeah, right now. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.